Ito. Concerned, tignan mo muna siya. Tapos lakad dyan. Silip-silip. Silip-silip. Tingin-tingin muna. Tumitingin siya next. Pag lumakad siya, tumingin ka na dito sa iba. Silip ka. Ganyan ka. Quiet!
Yung tigas talaga ng ulo ng mga ano. Alam mo, hindi ko nalalaki.
Tapos ganyan. Oh, Nico, huwag ka na humakap dito. Ganyan yung camera mo eh. Ganyan. O, tapos, sige na. Ganyan. Sir Aaron, tayo ko muna. Then you go here. So, pag ganyan, atras ka lang ganyan. Don't anymore. Just go ka. Tignan mo. Ikaw si ano. So, pag nakaganyan. Diba? Don't open na your eyes. Don't open na your eyes. Ha? Tapos nalilip mo ako. Okay. So straight away. Yeah. Okay. Ganyan. Sige. Sir. Oh, ganyan mo kaya. You make her like that. Edward. You make her. Edward. You make her like that. Tayo ba? You can ad-lib. You can ad-lib. Pag walang silent, ano. Ad-lib ka, Edward. Tayo ka na. Mumble, jumble. Stand up. Stand up na. Ad-lib while you're standing up, Edward. Stand up na. Mumble and jumble na. Mahulog. Paano kaya ba? Where is it going? Ang ending, mag-react ka dyan, ha? Huwag matatakpan si ano. Ngayon tinatakpan mo, be aware. Jer, bigyan mo nga ng marker. Saan ang marker mo? Gets mo na yung marker mo? Kasama ko rin. Ganyan. Show mo na yun. Show me how you do it. Nakita ka. Ganyan. Tingin lang kayo. Ikaw. PJ. Ano yun? Una. Gap and there. Tingin lang kayo ganyan. Okay? Then 5, 4, 3, 2. Second action, you go like this again. Action. Diba, it ends if you look at each other like that, diba? That's a gap ender. So you have to freeze there. Okay? Pag ganyan. Pag sinabing action, gumanya ka ulit. Edward, parang isang
Wala ka nga, tulungan mo ako.
PJ! Tulungan mo nga ako!
Paano yung best? Ang dami ko pang gagawin dito.
PJ!
Okay.
Bitch, hindi ka na tulungan mo ako.
PJ, alika nga, tulungan mo ako.
Punta lang po.
Exit ka na.
Exit po po.
Yes, action.
Saan ka kamay?
PJ, alika nga dito, tulungan mo ako.
Kaya mo na yan.
PJ!
Oh. Ano yung PG?
Oh, anong tinitingin niyo dyan?
Wala na yan. Wala na ibang tao.
Wala, waiter.
Ayan.
Oh, anong tinitingin niyo dyan? Tulungan mo kaya ako dito.
Tawa ka lang. Exit ka na.
Kaya mo na yan, Ikay.
Exit na.
Wala na.
Kaya mo na hindi ka. Exit ka na. Yan. Okay yan. Yung ganyan. Ito na. Ganyan. Make sure you're like that, ha? Nakaganyan, di ba? Make sure that you put it like this. No, wag kang it's her. Kumanya. So make sure it's like that. So you get, ang hirap naman. Kaya nasbilang. So meaning, tinan mo. Ako, sige, wala pa ito. You're holding it. Ako, ang hirap nito.
Naku, ang hirap nito.
Love. When she said ang hirap nito, The idea is, she's complaining. Okay? Gets? So meaning, after she keeps mumbling and mumbling, na ano, it has to be here, so we see her lips go like that. No, you cannot
ganyan
cover
po.
it. Let her be the one. No, it has to be here. So the idea, she keeps mumbling and mumbling. Blah, 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 complaining. Eh, biglang gumanyan, biglang, uy, so you got it?
Okay po.
Do we look before I start again?
Okay, daw, really. Ayun na, okay. O, tulungan mo ako. Ikaw, ano
Oh,
tinatawa-tawa
Ano
mo dyan?
tinatawa-tawa mo dyan?
Okay,
Tulungan
umalis.
kaya ako
Mga
dito.
walang hiya kayo.
Walang niya. Kayo nakakainis kayo. Bigat-bigat man.
Hindi, she's busy. Ano daw? Sige, sige. Delay it.
Kakainis kayo. Bigat-bigat.
Okay yan. Kaya lang, masyado mag-
Mabilis. Opo.
Di ba? Pag ganyan, bigyan mo muna ng moment. Tsaka magpipiglan. Bigyan mo ng moment. Kailangan kong ma-shift eh. Ma-shift na. Huwag na lang, huwag na lang. Patingin. Sige, patingin. Ganyan. Oh, complete. Walang hiya kayo.
Muling niya kayo. Hindi niyo ako tinutulungan. Kakainis. Sobrang bigat pa naman ito.
Tatawa kayo.
Oo.
Okay, just tingin ka sa kanya. You know why? You know why it can't be here. I don't see her lips. It has to be here. Down. So let's do.
Ay, po.
Yan. O, tuloy. At saka huwag kayong mag-statue na. Magbigay siya sa mas na.
Tapos po, tinginan na.
O, diba? Tuwa-tuwa ka. Tingin. You have to hold that because in the tingin, ano wag na lang, kasi after that is daw hinalikan yung ano yun.
Yung ulo.
Mag-pre-preempt, huwag ka na lang mag... So ganyan, uy, mga walang hiya kayo.
Muling niya kayo.
Kayo, blah, blah, etc. Magtingin lang kayo. Oh, huwag mo isasabay, tingin muna. Ganyan. Mas you, ganyan, tingin muna. Ganyan. Tapos, dahan-dahan. Patagalan mo yung
Kakainis kayo.
don't be a statue. Yan. Okay, freeze! Let's go commercial gap. While it's commercial gap, they'll fill in your oatmeal. Okay? Then, 5, 4, 3, 2. Count, 5, count, 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, action. What? O, sandali. Ano mangyayari sa kanya after you make it? No. Will you fall or what? Kasi gumanyan ka so where will you go? Can I see? Figure it out. See. Figure it out. Go. Show me. Okay, show me. So, what? What? Sumuka.
Flaren! Ginagawa mo! Ka na nga.
Okay, good. Mainis ka.
Kakainis!
Tapos tingin sa kanya. And then, pa. So, hindi natin alam pa na nangyari sa'yo. Yung pala sino. Okay? Yes?
Apo.
Next.
Tan. Okay na. Rehearsal na. 3 times. Okay na.
Now, you have 30 minutes to prepare. And we will cable, audio, everything. And we run through it, the whole thing, as we see. Okay?
After that,
So, director, beginning of scene 8, I'm just wasting.
Kasi it's like...
You're not practicing.
after ito, may run.
Edward, for this scene, it's not making you believe in what you want.
Sa'yo ito, mami na.
Even for the masyado buo. Okay? Five elements. It's your voice. The physicality is good. Your eyes are good. The energy is correct. It's the voice. It's not.
Tapos ka na lahat. Wala kang
Waiter. Mas ko na.
Camera person muna natin.
Yes, ma'am.
Galing, no?
Kanina.
Tayo ko din.
Di ba may bagong menu?
Whiskey.
Meron.
Oh, may banta kanina, di ba?
Picture
Sa
siya.
card, di ba?
May suka siya, tapos may
Oo,
bag.
diba?
Sa right.
Okay, remember? Saan yung mark ng menu? Okay, very good. Okay, clear? Okay. Clear. Alens. Okay, mag-rehearse na sila eh. Clear!
Nagka-continuity, mamaya ang ano pa. Nasa right shoulder mo.
This rehearsing, yes. For the live.
Pero nung may eksena nila,
This is live, ha?
Clear na natin yung buong area hanggang doon. Kasi po, wala na ibang tao dito.
Ayan daw, yes.
oo. Pero yung salita mo, diba? Hindi siya pinag-save.
Sa bar area. May blocking ka na ba? Ito pala ako. Sige. What? No, it's not. It's a nice one.
Hindi. Ay,
Tara po, nurse. Clear tayo dyan.
kung nakikita mo sila.
May lapel na. May lapel.
Oo, check po.
Edward. Bisi-bisihan kita hanggang hindi ka na.
Kung hindi kailangan.
Tunas!
Arya, tingin pa sa akin to.
Punas lang po. Matapos na.
Pinas, yan. Brush mo yun, di ba? Ha? Mas ano? Mas lumal.
Gagdahan po.
Tara, tara. Okay na? How about the actors? Are you ready for
When I stand up drunk, I don't look around.
Yes, you're
I'm wasted. I don't look around. I fall and you catch me.
He's asking, is the first one, when he's like this, like that, diba? And his eyes is still closed. And then, when you do this, yan.
Naka-exit si DJ.
Yan. Yan, tapos, sige na. Tapos, commercial ka. Pag-commercial ka, tingin na lang muna. Tapos, commercial ka, commercial mo na yun. Then, that's the time when you have to eat the opening, daya. And then, back to live, action.
And for AA, after the commercial, we do the
Before.
direction.
Sige, sige. Inawin natin.
I have to eat when you stand.
I remember that. Direct. 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 Hello, hello. Hello, system. Hello. Ate po si Direct. Wala na.
Walang kiss.
Wala na. I get the question because a while ago she said the action.
Ganda ng role ko dito, action star.
Keep doing the same, right? Am I right? Am I right? So, and then the last reaction is looking at each other and then another gap. That's supposed to be it's one gap. So we have to look at it. Other than that, no pressure. Direct. Direct, may question. Direct, pinig ko ba ako? Direct. Wala. Hello? 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 Pero mo na ibang headset mo. Hello?
Wala ibang headset daw.
Okay, sige po. Okay. Alright. Copy direct. Changes. So, the first part is straight. Straight. Until the... Okay po. Okay. So, the first action will be the whole thing until you look at each other. Alright?
Wala na yung...
Yes. We don't have the first one. Yes, alright? And then after that, looking at each other, God, that's the time for you to do the oatmeal. And then live, you do, yeah.
Straight away, no, without the
Without what?
phone.
No. That part is from the first action towards you both looking at each other.
That's one.
Yes.
Ah,
And then the gap,
Puro heart.
the oatmeal, and then action 2 is clear? Alright? Okay. Okay, stand by for rehearsal, waiter. May hold you na yan, ha? Okay. Rehearsal, direct. For this, direct, okay ka na po dito? Sige po. Okay, rehearsal. Ano po yun? Anong concern natin? Okay, rehearsal. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Si direct pa, bawas ka pa. Aba. Okay, copy. Bartend, wala ka na. Okay ka na. Thank you, kuya. Pasara yan, ha? Pasara. Next to enter ka, bebe. Dito, direct sa bar area.
Dito pa, sige pa.
Okay, copy po.
Mauna po.
Alright. Direct, sabay po ba sila? Mauna po si... I'll cue you. Rehearsing. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Nico first. And... out na, direct. Okay. Kuya, out ka na din ba? Opo. Direct, sorry, sabay ba si Ikay and Nico? Okay, ko. Copy. Ikay, cue you sa'yo. Rehearsing. 5, 4, 3, 2. And action! Marlon, walang tao sa labas na. Guard hold. Ito. Direct. Direct, sorry, bago tayo mag-continue, check ko lang kung papasok ko dito yung waiter. Okay, sige po. Okay, continue, Ikay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, action. Marlon.
Sir. PJ, tulungan mo nga ako dito.
Kaya mo yan.
PJ, naman din. PJ.
Huwag mo ko hindi na tulungan na. Pag
Mag-scroll bago pa. At saka, dito ka mag-exit ka agad.
Ay, sorry.
Sige po.
Sige po, direct. Okay, continue tayo, Ben. Ha? Ayan.
Mamaya yung isang camera, I think there's 4 cameras here, di ba? Ha? Mamaya yung isang camera, tumabit kay, kay Ryan. Mamaya yung isang camera, tumabit kay Ryan.
Continue, actors.
PJ, tulungan mo nga ako dito.
Ah.
PJ, saan ka pupunta?
Ay, mo yung best.
PJ! Iyak ka talaga. Bigat-bigat na nakakainis.
Waiter! Marlon! Waiter! Waiter, balik! Dun! Punta ka yan. Initial process. Okay, copy po. Out. Continue, actors.
Bigat-bigat mo talaga nakakainis ka.
Tingin na kayo. Kaya yung camera ang isa. And, wait.
Five point B2, action to tayo, and action.
Saren! Nakakainis ka talaga. Nakakapatrip ka.
Then, maiwan dyan. Mag-update dyan. Favorite yan, si Ryan ang close.
Yan, and that camera. Yan, yan, yan.
Yes.
Okay, 30 minutes. You can prepare what needs to be prepared.
Copy direct. Pag-direct dito po. Okay na tayo sa pool. 30 minutes.
Thank you, Direct. Thank you, bro.
Sige. Sige, babe.
Pwesto yun. 50 shirts na ba?
Patapos na siya?
Apa, 30 minutes daw. 30 minutes.
Husay.
Kukunan natin yung mga
Husay ni Mami.
That's not where I go.
Hindi pala lang. Babae. Oo, tapos na yan.
Half an hour. Half an hour. Half an hour. 30 minutes.
Double time!
Kailangan po namin dito yung start.